Okay, so we're, again, creating equations from words. Now, they want you to do this with one variable, which can be kind of confusing. So we'll do it with one, and then I'll do it with two, which I think two will be a little more self-explanatory. They've given us essentially this information here, and it's a tough question. The age of Kirsten and Victor totaled 27 years. Okay? We just want to give either Kirsten or Victor a variable. Okay? So let's say we give Kirsten a variable. What do you want to call Kirsten's age?
Okay.
Okay, so let Kirsten equal K. Okay. We need to relate that to Victor's age. Okay. Because we know here Victor's age plus twice Kirsten's age is 43. Okay, so that means Victor plus, what does twice Kirsten's mean? What operation is that?
Addition.
Twice?
Oh, multiplication.
Yeah, by what number?
2.
2. Okay, so Victor plus 2 times Kirsten's age is equal to 43. So that's the information they've given us here, right? And we've called Kirsten's age K. So we have Victor plus 2 times K, so we're just going to call it 2K is equal to 43. But we need to make a relationship with Victor's age and Kirsten's age, right? How can we relate Victor's age to Kirsten's age? Well, we have this first line. The age of Kirsten and Victor total 27. Okay? So that means 27 subtract Victor's age. Okay? So let's do this in blue. I'll call this kind of the second equation. We know that Victor plus Kirsten equal 43. Okay? What did we call Kirsten? We called it K, right? So Victor plus K equals 43. Well, we need a relationship for Victor. So we're going to move K to the other side. Sorry, it wasn't 43. It was what number?
27.
That's right. Good. So I need to get Victor by itself, which means I do what with K?
Bring it over to this.
Yeah, and when I bring it over, what will it become?
Victor plus...
Well, it'll be Victor all by itself. Victor is equal to
27K.
Wow. When I bring K over...
minus K.
Yeah, minus K. So Victor's age can be known as 27 minus K. So let's get rid of Victor here and put in 27 minus K plus 2K equals 43. Okay? So I'm going to write this all in black over here and solve. 27 minus K plus 2K equals 43. Does it make sense how I created the equation? Yeah? Now, all right, let's solve this and we'll talk about it after. Let's collect our like terms. What are our like terms here?
K and 2K.
Yeah, and not just K, but
Negative.
yeah, negative K and 2K. And what will they equate to?
2K. 2K minus K.
Okay, and what is that?
1K.
1K, that's right. Or in other words, just K, right? So 27 plus K equals 43. Well, what are we trying to isolate for?
K.
K. So what do I got to do to get K by itself?
27 minus... Oh, yeah, minus 27. 43 minus 27.
That's right. We move it to the other side. So we come subtract. And what do we get? Kirsten's age is equal to... 16. So Kirsten is 16, which means if Kirsten's 16 and their two ages add 27, how do I find Victor's age?
27 minus 16.
Yeah, what is that going to give us?
I can't do that. I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's why you got the calculator. 11. So Victor equals 11. Now, what did I just do? I just wrote in a V, right? The whole time we technically used two variables to solve this. What were the variables?
His name and Kristen.
Yeah, I used their names, but they're representing their ages, right? Really, this is Victor's age plus twice Kirsten's age is 43. Okay, and that was one equation. And then I knew that Victor's age plus Kirsten's age was 27. I just had to relate them. I had to relate them so they'd only be one variable in this case. Okay, so that's the key, is how do we relate something to be one variable? And this can be very tricky. It's easiest to really think of this as two variables. Well, we could have just called this v the whole time, right? And I needed to find a replacement for v. How could I relate v to k? Okay, well, we know v plus k is 27. So I moved the k to the other side. V was equal to 27 minus k. And that's what we replaced Victor, or v, with. 27 minus k plus 2k equaled 43. So really I used two variables the whole time. But in the end, I just solved for one. And there's nothing wrong with doing that. Setting out two variables and then solving for one of them. Okay?